there, my name is Sonia, and I was asked to give a little bit of a overview on my Fastbraces experience. It was pretty fast, I'll start with that, which is probably the most important thing to mention. I had them for not even a year, so like 10 months, 10 and a half months or so. And I'm really happy with the results. I want to touch on some of the reluctance that people might have around getting it, because I was one of them, absolutely. It took a couple years at least of being told about it and the benefits of it for it to be something that I was able to really wrap my head around and understand enough to want it. So I didn't have a whole lot of fixing to do on what my scenario was, but it was just enough that made it worth it. And honestly, like now having the bite and seeing the difference and having literally just got them off, I can say I was really surprised at how much I did notice it. I didn't think I would with just like the kind of fine tuning that I thought I needed, but it's there, it's awesome. I do feel the difference in the bite that it meets, which is awesome too. And then the other thing I thought I'd kind of touch on was how many people in my Fastbraces experience were also having braces. So part of my reluctance, being a grown person, getting into braces was kind of like going out in public and having the looks or whatnot. But I have to say, I noticed so many people with braces while I had them on, and maybe because I was sensitive to it, but I would be surprised if you found anything else also. If you decide to go forward, you'll find so many people that do also have braces. That was really reassuring and just made me a little more confident in my journey, knowing that like I'm not alone, and people of all ages really do get them, so it's not really something to be, I'll say, ashamed of. And the other the other prohibitive thing for me was the cost. I had always thought braces to be like thousands of dollars. I grew up hearing 13, 18, like just ridiculous amounts. So to pay what is offered here was pretty awesome, and to get the results even quicker, I would have paid the 13 to have it done that much quicker instead of the less than a year. So overall, my experience has been really positive. It took me a while, like I said, to accept it. So understandable if that's part of your journey, but hopefully you move past that quicker than I did, because I'm just really happy with the results. And less than a year and you're good to go. And that's about it. So I hope you get them if you're considering it and have the same results that I do.